The reason you cannot see the chart is because you're using Excel, and the chart interface only accesses Google Sheets. So I'm looking here at an Excel file that has the solution in it, copy of data exploration 3, and this is Excel currently. That's what I'm in right now. I'm in Excel. And what I'll do to get that over to Google Sheets, because that's where it has to be to insert it into Google Slides, it's better to do these in Google Sheets in the first place. There's no reason to use Excel. But be that as it may, what I'm going to do is switch over to my drive. I'll go to Settings first, up here in the corner at the gear on the right. Click on Settings, and I've set the uploads to convert. That's what I want. It usually starts off like this, I believe, but I'm going to set it to convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. I want that set. Then I go back to the drive and I say New, and I'm going to go to File Upload, and there's my Excel file I was just looking at over there on the side, and I'm going to go ahead and say Open. It will start uploading it. And now it's complete. It should be, and there it is, in my drive right underneath my folders. If I open it, I'll see that I now have it here in my drive. And the chart is there, the one that came up from Excel. Now, when I go to slide, I'll do a new slide deck, slides.new, and go ahead. Let me put up a new slide and toss. I don't need that piece there, so toss that. Now, when I go to insert, the chart will appear from Sheets down here. Because the recent is only showing you Google Sheets, it can't show Excel. Excel doesn't work with slides that well. Now there's my file. I just uploaded that file, so I'll click on that and scroll down. I think I just double click on it from here probably, because I probably can't get to the piece I need to. Double click, and the import button is off the bottom of the screen, so I'll have to move, I believe I'll have to move the whole thing to get down to the import. I have to make the whole thing bigger too. Yeah, I had to make it bigger. Import has gotten way down here off the screen. Click on the chart, click on import, and it will put the chart in. But the better way to have done this in the first place was, and the way it was intended to be done, was simply click on the link, make a copy, no need for Excel, make your chart from here, just as I did in that, calculate the average, do all of that stuff. But make your chart from here. So I'm going to have, I'm not going to redo the whole thing, but average AA, and there's the average for the A column, and boom, these guys go there, and then this comes in there, and one more, 1222. So I can whip off a quick chart here. Chart, and there's the beginning of my chart. And now that will show up in the slides recent when I go back to do, I'll have to, you may not be able to see what I'm doing here because I may be off the screen. But I'm working in a very tight little window there. That's the original. There's my file now, my average. I forgot. There's my average. I'm working on that guy there. To get to bring this guy back on the screen, there we go. Again, now that new file I just did, I can go to, insert chart from Sheets. And that newest new file is going to show up in the recent folder over here. I believe it might be this one, but I'll have to look and see. Yep, there it is. And again, the import button is just an orange button down off the bottom of the screen here. So that's all there is to doing this. But again, you want to work in Google Slides when you're doing this, and in Google Sheets when you're working on the actual data exploration. Work in Slides, work in Sheets. Don't use Excel. It'll just make your life harder. Learn to use the workspace. Slides, Sheets, Docs, Drive. This is Drive here. Google Drive. You can do that's Drive. This is Sheets. This over here is Slides down here. Again, I'm off screen so you can't see it, but all of these are right up here. I don't ever need to leave my browser. I don't ever need to leave Google Workspace. And if I want to get at any other parts of Workspace, this menu right here will get me at all the different parts of Workspace. I hope that helps, but I don't recommend using Excel. It doesn't work with Slides, and there's no need to use Excel. Everything that you can do in Excel you can do from Sheets, and you can use Slides instead of PowerPoint, and it makes your life much easier.